Baby claps with teddy bear, clap, clap, clap. A is for apple, red and fair. So sweet, so round, so there. Baby rolls a bouncy ball, roll, roll, roll. B is for ball, the best of all. It spins, it jumps, it answers the call. Baby hugs a little cat, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. C is for cat, soft as a hat, purring here, just imagine that. A, B, C, come sing with me. Red is the apple, glossy in the grip. Crimson harbor sugar, a tangy little trip. That's the ocean, endless and deep. Dreams in the tide where secrets sleep. Colors collide in the world so wide, painting the moments where we reside. Red, blue, green, yellow and more. Life's a palette, open the door. Green is the meadow, a soft velvet sea, whispering the stories of the old oak tree. Yellow's a dazzle, the sun's golden laugh, a warm beam hug, a golden autograph. Purple is royalty, the grapes' sweet rain, just dripping like memories, staining the plain. Colors that dazzle, they're a feeling inside, a kaleidoscope dance where emotions collide. Colors collide in the world so wide, painting the moments where we reside. Red, blue, green, yellow and more. Life's a palette, open the door. So take a brush, you know walrus run. Paint the laughter, paint the fun. From apples to skies, from grass to the sun, this colorful symphony has just begun.